To my channel, Dubs in Russia Vlog. Ito guys, sweet and sour. Tayong pork fried rice. Pork sausage fried rice guys. Only gulay. Guys, pork sweet and sour. Ang partner nito ay pork sausage fried rice. I-fry lang yung pork, then lagyan ng sauce. Ilagyan natin ng pineapple, bell pepper, and white onion. I-mix. Di ko nakita guys kung paano ko siya i-oras lagyan. Ang coffee. Dinner for today's video guys. Sure. Thank you for watching Dubs in Russia Vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you guys. Bye.